Jonathan Price, owner and operator of downforsoundshop.com and this YouTube channel, which is two of the fastest growing things in car audio. If you will, hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you know every time we drop a video, and you'll get it sent to your inbox and you'll be able to check it out first.
Yeah, oh, you got the little wood effect. Yeah.
You know, yeah, here we can do, bro, everything in this place.
What is what's your latest numbers on the what you achieved? Listen to those guys.
The official numbers, on a DB drag, 174.9 on a 40 officially. Not officially, 176.1 on a 38. Not official. But you know, we never post the not official numbers because this is bullshit. You know, just here. You know, when you want to show real number, you need a proof on a on a DB drag. You know, this makes sense.
Still doing 170 like at 40 hertz is insane. Like most people do these numbers at like 70 hertz, 80 hertz. Like, but when you do it at a lower frequency, it's way harder, way more difficult to do that. So to achieve these numbers is insane, and that's one of the biggest reasons my truck's here now, because you have a lot of people who talk the talk, but they can't walk the walk. You have to find people that actually walk the walk like he is. He's got the proof's in the pudding. Like, I know initially we just talked about like taking the box out and just doing the enclosure, but I've been thinking about it. I'm like, if it's gonna be y'all's project and done, like we might as well do the door panels too. Like to take the speakers out and do the, we have the new Down for Sound 8-inch speakers coming in. So I was thinking we could do 8s in each panel instead of 6 10s. These are 10s. So 8 8s and 8 tweeters. You think that's feasible? Like, because I don't have 10-inch speakers. So, and if I'm going to be doing a rebuild of like Down for Sound equipment and Sundown equipment and whatever, like I'd rather have, if I can put my equipment in here, like my brand, or like powered by Deaf Bonce.
6.5, yeah.
Well, we have 8s on the way now, so I would like to do the 8s, the new 8s, to showcase them, because everybody knows about our 6.5s already. So.
The 8s, how shallow those 8s?
I'm actually not sure off the top of my head. We haven't gotten them in yet. So I can measure them. We have a prototype at the warehouse. So
if you have a chance, just send to us the one of them.
Yeah.
One of them,
Okay.
If you make your seats a little bit skinnier, this means you got more room, you know?
Oh, okay. I see. You're talking about like narrower right here? Okay. I didn't know that was an option. I mean, that's fine with me if like if we want to remake this. Would it be making it out of this seat, or would it be made out of a totally another seat?
With let us find out the first. Maybe we can find a different seat first. You know?
Yeah, that's fine. If we needed to cut through the floor and create places to put more batteries, because I know we're going to be running more power, so to have, and like I said, I don't the final thing. I just want it to be clean and sound good. Like that's my biggest thing. If you like, I don't care how the amps are laid out or like whatever. It doesn't matter to me as long as when you open the door, it looks nice and it obviously it performs well. So I don't. However you want to stack the stuff in there, however you want to put the amps back there, the batteries, like I'm really open to it, and I'm easy to, as long as it comes out clean and it's loud. Like
when we build it, we will send you examples. We're gonna stay touch about each step.
Yeah, that's good.
And I just wanted to give you some options. If you pick some of this our option, or if you can visualize your ideas, you know, work together with this stuff.
Right.
I'm this guy, and my guys, it's not all about me, you know. It's all about all of us, you know. We're not selfish right there, you know. We respect everybody, and the Dennis, he's the brain who's creating some stuff, you know. You know, work together. The Artem, he's also, you know, do some mechanic and deep. He's also bro. This guy badass stick welder, you know.
Awesome, very cool.
Yeah.
Yo, what's up guys? If you want to see more of the hot content that you just saw in that video, be sure to follow me on all my social media channels from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The Life of Price is my handle on there. Also have Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat is JPD4S. Check out all the hot content on there as well.